Hi, Bloomers! Good morning! Good morning, good evening! Kung nasa part man kayo ng mundo ngayon. Ayan. So, today we're going to have a short and very quick Q&A para doon sa mga send na messages sa akin. Like, yung mga usual na message, ganyan. Some questions, chika-chika. And then, siguro maliit lang na, mabilis lang din na unboxing, as always. Since we are now on our first week ng March. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first question is how and why? Hindi ko maintindihan yung handwriting. How and why you started a vintage reselling shop? Gusto ko, bakit ba? Hindi. Actually, I think I have this business DNA in my DNA. When I was in college, okay, in my university days, I had this experience na I wanted to participate sa field trip and which cost around 500 pesos. Not that big, but not that small either. So I remember when I was in college, I always had this big, weird, sobrang statement headbands. Yeah. It's like yung may flower dito, tapos sobrang, I don't know, like burgundy, neon, may hat, iba-ibang designs, iba-ibang models, ganyan. And then it's like everyday, iba-iba yung headbands ko, which I really like, okay? And then, I don't know, it's like out of the blue, I thought of selling or selling them, or yes, selling them. And actually, that went very good. I was really flabbergasted. Flabbergasted? Na-shock ako kasi nabenta ko siyang lahat. And I still remember that I earned like around 600 the time. So, 500 yung pambayad sa field trip. And then 100 yung pocket money ko. So, ayun. So, I always have this. Kahit noong, nung buntis ako, kay Chloe, yan, kay Kiro, lagi akong mayroong, I don't know, it's like every now and then, nabalik ako sa reselling. So, why vintage? Kasi siguro, ewan ko, mahilig ako sa mga old items. I remember na nung college days with Cheska. Hi, Cheska. Hi, baby. Lagi kami nasa mga ukay-ukay. Yan. And book sale, ganyan. Lagi mahilig kami sa mga, it's not cheap, pero yes, cheap. Yan, yung mga second-hand clothings, yan. Tingin-tingin kami. Minsan pag may pera, bibili. Minsan pag wala. Window shopping lang. And then, ayun. Tapos naalala ko rin na lagi akong humihiram ng damit sa lola ko. Kasi gusto ko yung mga style ng, sabi nga nila lola style. Pero I find it, interesting. Parang, wow, ang ganda-ganda nila. Ganon. So, ayun. So, yun. Reselling, vintage reselling kasi, yun yung, yun yung passion ko eh. Parang, dun, siya yung gusto kong gawin. Siya yung, hindi ako masyadong informed, hindi ako well-informed sa mga bagay like, I don't know, POD, handmade. Although, mahilig akong magkalikot, gumawa naman kung ano-ano, pero not really my forte. So, so no. Ayun, so, vintage tayo. Yan. Next is, how and where you get your items? Unfortunately, hindi ako nakakapunta sa mga flea markets, like Sarazzano, yan. Hopefully one day, sa Milano. Siguro kung nasa Milano ako, that would be easy, like easy peasy. But then again, nandito ako sa Lodi and Fuori Centro, so it's a bit difficult. So what I usually do, it's like flea markets or yes, marketplaces online. Doon ako nag-search or nagsa-source. Most of the time makikita nyo nag-unbox ako. Instead of yung parang alam mo pagka may pag may karelo ka, pag may ano ka, shopping bag, di ba, yung mag-unpack. Hindi unbox. Kasi galing sila from other, part of the world. Minsan galing sa France. Actually, marami akong items from France, yan. Or other part ng Italy, like sa South, yan, Sardinia, Sicily, and yes, Verbania. Suki na ako na sa Verbania. And we also had some from Germany. And ayun. Next is, why do you move from Vinted to Etsy? Well, Vinted wasn't bad, okay, and wasn't good either for the vintage items. Let's say na kasi ilolowball ka ng mga buyers. Like, alam mo yun, parang 50%, gusto nila ng 50% cut, 50% discount sa items mo, which, no, it's not okay. Okay. Ayun, so, I've decided, although medyo mahal sa Etsy, like, yung fee, etc. To start na with Etsy. Kasi talagang, I think it's a perfect place or marketplace for my vintage items. Ayun. Kita nyo magaganda nila, oh. Ayan. And, okay. Next is, why Bloom Beyond? Ayan. Thank you. Bloom Beyond kasi I was searching for terms. Sorry. I was searching for terms na maganda for something na kasi alam niyo yung lotus, 'di ba? Kasi ang lotus is nag-grow siya sa mud. So I want something like that. Na parang it doesn't matter kung anong pinagdaanan mo or kung saan ka galing, ganyan. O kung gano'ng kasama yung experience mo. But you will still bloom beyond your situation, beyond pagdating sa items ko, beyond times and beyond condition, beyond age. Ayun, kaya bloom beyond. Pa ikaw na bahala magdagdag sa huli. Next is, how do I sell? Okay, how do you sell your items? Is it only on Vinted or Etsy? No. Hindi pa po tayo ganun ka-okay online. So, minsan talaga kailangan nating mag-isip ng other ways kung paano tayo kikita. For example, of course, in person, no? May mga suki na ako. So, halimbawa may mga items ako na alam kong pwede magustuhan nila or ano ba? Ayun, i-message ko sila, papakita sa kanila items ko before ko sila i-list sa Etsy or sa Vinted. Ayun, ang busy naman, may mga, and actually mas malaki ang kita pagka in person. Kasi halimbawa sa Etsy, wala ka ng cuts. Kung ano kung magkano yung price mo na binigay, walang ibabawas sa'yo. Unlike sa Etsy na may mga fees. Yan. May fees ka sa listing, may fees ka, may mga 20% VAT, etc. etc. Also sa shipping, meron na rin silang kinukuha doon. Okay, next is, what, are there any other marketplaces you wanna try? Actually, yes. I'm planning to move my items from Vinted to eBay. Okay. Feeling ko mas I don't know, siguro feeling ko mas magiging okay siya ron. Tsaka doon wala masyadong lowball. Like, alam mo yun, walang tatawad sa'yo ng mga 60%. Wala ka na kinita, inyo na, gano'n. Ayun. And then, gusto ko yung in-person selling. Like, nag-try ako once sa isang event namin. Pinayagan ako doon. Ayun. Aside from malaki yung kita, iba yung personal connection eh. Iba yung alam mo yun, yung in-person mo i-chika sa kanila kung ano yung meron doon sa items, kung ano yung history ng item, ganyan. Ayun, mas gusto kong, aside from online shops, aside from online marketplace, gusto ko rin siyang i-try. No? Not just once, pero mas regular sana. Kaya lang as of this moment, at this moment, medyo malabo pa yun kasi kailangan mo ng like tax ID ba tawag doon? Partida IVA. Yun. Ayan. Ayan, sa Facebook, marketplace, no? Sa Facebook, like sa personal account ko, and sa messages. Minsan sa Instagram, may order doon. So, ayun. Another way of selling my items. Okay, last is no, I don't know. Okay. If I plan to make it like full time, sana. Sana. Kasi I love what I'm doing. I really love what I'm doing. And, although malabo pa, kasi hindi pa naman tayo kumikita ng mga 5, kahit nga 4 figures, wala pa tayo rin. Beshi, nasa 3 figures pa lang tayo. So, siguro pagka mga 4, 5, no, siguro mga 5, yan. Pag nasa mga 5 figures na tayo, pwede na siguro. Bibigyan ko na rin kayo ng discount. Ayun. So, ayun lang naman. So, meron pa kayo ibang questions, ayan. Message nyo lang ako. Instagram, Facebook, ayan. Okay. So, ngayon, wait, sorry. So, ngayon, kukuhanin ko lang yung ibang packages and then start tayong mag-unpack or mag-unbox ng ating first 3 parcels for the month of March. Yan, I'm back. So, let's start with the first parcel, which is from, I can't remember, but I think from France. Okay, hindi ko siya makita. Anyways, yes, I think they were from France. Yeah. I was actually worried kasi nung kinuha ko siya this morning, bukas siya. So, hopefully, walang nawala sa loob. Let's start. Bubble mailers. No. Plastic. Yan. Oh, nice. Yes. Box. In fairness, mabango siya, ha? Okay. First item, we have the Steltman watch. Ang ganda. Parang bagong-bago pa siya. Look. Steltman. Hindi ko alam. Hindi siya masyadong kita. Okay. Anyways. Ayan. We have our Steltman watch. Let's see. So, I think kailangan na siya lagyan ng battery. Okay na ulit siya. Like, ganda niya. Mukha siya mamahal. O mamahalin talaga. I don't know. Okay, next. No, that's a joke. Maganda siya. Halos bago pa sila. Okay. Next is, we have our Guy Laroche. I don't know how you pronounce it. Here. Kita ba? Yan. Hindi ata, no? Anyways, yes. Guy Laroche. Hindi ko alam paano siya pronounce. Okay. We have 2 bracelets. No, wait. Okay. We have one. Okay. Sorry. So, medyo okay, we have one necklace. Yan. It's actually a two-tone necklace, like silver and gold tone necklace. Sobrang ganda niya. Mamaya check ko siya if may any markings. Okay, last but not the least, a silver tone. A silver tone, let's say, tennis or, yes, tennis or link bracelet. Here it is. Hindi ba kitang-kita? Sorry. Ayan. Meron siyang rhinestones, small rhinestones. May kaunti lang siyang signs of usage. Pero, ang ganda pa rin niya, as in. Kailangan ko siya. I-try natin siya kung magnetic. Wait lang, ha? In this one, hopefully not. Ay, hindi siya magnetic. Okay. Since hindi siya magnetic, may possibility na base metal pa rin niya is like alloy, okay? Pero silver plated siya. If you see, this part, medyo, yan. Yung part na to is medyo magnetic kasi siguro ito yung kakaunti lang yung plating, let's say. But the rest, no. Hindi siya, non-magnetic siya. Which is a good sign naman. Yan. Tsaka maganda pa rin siya. Yan, very, very good ang buyer, ang seller natin. Okay. Oops. Ooh. Wow. Taray. Okay. Yan. So, yung mga ganito, yung mga styrofoams, syempre gagamitin natin siya. Hindi natin siya basta itatapon. Sayang yan. Tsaka dapat eco-friendly. Okay. Thank you for your order. Ganda. Taray. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong tawag dito. This one is a vintage snake chain. Love knot. They call it love knot bracelet. Yung knot niya is love knot. Sobrang ganda. Okay. Snake chain siya. And the next one. Tada! Medyo malaki siya. Let's see. This box, hindi ako nagkakamali. Okay. Hindi ko alam why this snake sobrang naano sa mga bags ngayon. Although mahilig naman ako sa bags. Hindi nga lang halata. Dahil hindi ako bumibili ng mamahaling bags. Wait lang. Ayan, let's see. Ayun, cute. Hindi ko alala. Ang cute niya. Wait lang. Try kong baba ng kaunti. Dun. Stop. Love. Ay, true. Charot. Okay. Okay, let's see. May kaunti lang siyang marking sa metal, which is fine. Okay. I have to check if it's real leather or not. Okay, and which brand. Minsan kasi yung mga order ko, hindi ko na natatandaan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit stop love. Siguro broken hearted yung nag-design nito. Pero yan, kita nyo naman. Kitang-kita nyo kung gaano pa siya kaganda. Ayan. Ito po yung... Ayan. So, if may interested sa inyo, message nyo lang ako. Next is... Oh! Ay, nice. Hindi ko siya naalala nung una. This one is a pre-loved. Okay. This is the bag. Okay. This is the bag. And, let's see. May photo. Okay. Counting signs of usage. Hindi ko maalala yung ano niya, yung tatak niya. Thank you so much. Okay. May strap. It, I think that it just strap niya. Just have to look kung meron siyang anything. Hindi ko lang kasi maalala eh. No, I think, okay, wait lang. No, okay. No, nothing. No brand. Nada. Okay, but still, this one is still beautiful. Kung hindi ko man siya mabenta, akin na lang siya. I like it. I like it so much. No, this one is not vintage. Vintage style. Yan. Oh, sorry. Yan. Bali, ang style niya is box back. Like a box. Yan. So, ayun lang. For today's video, sila lang muna. Okay. But marami pa rin tayo items sa padating and hopefully masamahan niyo pa rin ako na i-unbox sila this coming days. Ayun, thank you so much for your for joining me sa ating Q&A and unboxing. Yan, see you next time and stay blooming. Take care. Bye.